The battlefield has changed. Wars are no longer just fought on land or sea, they're decided in the skies. Missiles now travel at hypersonic speeds, stealth bombers are nearly invisible to radar, and drones swarm like mechanical locusts. A single breach in air defense could mean disaster, and nations know it. So who has the best shield? Which air defense systems can actually stop these deadly threats? Some of these are battle-proven, while others are pushing the boundaries of technology. Let's take a deep dive into the 10 most powerful air defense systems of 2025, starting with one of Russia's most feared weapons. 1. S-400 Triumph, Russia. When it comes to long-range air defense, Russia's S-400 Triumph is one of the most talked about systems in the world. And for good reason. This thing isn't just a missile defense system, it's an all-seeing eye in the sky, capable of detecting, tracking, and destroying enemy aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles up to 400 kilometers away. What makes the S-400 truly terrifying is its ability to launch different types of missiles depending on the threat. If an enemy jet is flying low, it can fire a short-range missile. If a ballistic missile is coming in at supersonic speeds, it can launch an ultra-long-range interceptor. That kind of flexibility makes it one of the most formidable air defense systems on the planet. In 2024, Russia tested the S-400 against a hypersonic missile simulation, something that very few systems in the world can handle. The result: direct interception. Military experts around the world took notice, with several countries including China, Turkey, and India investing in the S-400. It remains one of the biggest threats to any aircraft daring to enter its range. 2. THAAD, USA. Not all missile defense systems focus on stopping planes or drones. Some are built for something even more terrifying: ballistic missiles traveling thousands of kilometers at hypersonic speeds. That's where THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, comes in. Designed by Lockheed Martin, THAAD doesn't just destroy incoming threats, it obliterates them by hitting them mid-air with sheer force. Unlike traditional air defense systems that use explosives, THAAD relies on kinetic energy to neutralize missiles, making it one of the most advanced missile-killing systems ever created. In 2023, the U.S. military deployed additional THAAD units to Guam, fearing potential missile threats from North Korea and China. This move reinforced the importance of THAAD as a critical layer in America's multi-tiered missile defense system. With a 100% success rate in live tests and the ability to engage targets at extremely high altitudes, THAAD is one of the most reliable missile interceptors in the world today. 3. Iron Dome, Israel. When rockets rain down on civilian cities, seconds can mean the difference between life and death. That's exactly why Israel developed the Iron Dome, a short-range missile defense system designed to intercept and destroy rockets, artillery shells, and drones before they hit their targets. But what makes the Iron Dome truly special is its reaction time. In under 2 seconds, the system analyzes the incoming threat, calculates its trajectory, and decides whether to intercept or ignore it. If it's going to land in an empty area. If a threat is real, the system fires an interceptor missile, blowing it out of the sky. In 2024, the Iron Dome was tested like never before during one of the largest missile barrages in Israel's history. The result? Over 90% of the threats were intercepted, saving thousands of lives and proving why this system is one of the best short-range defenses ever built. Other countries, including the US and India, are now looking at integrating Iron Dome technology into their own defense systems. 4. David's Sling, Israel. If Iron Dome is Israel's short-range shield, then David's Sling is its mid-range sword. Designed to intercept threats too powerful for Iron Dome but too weak for high-altitude systems like THAAD, David's Sling is the perfect middle ground. Developed by Israel and the US, this system uses a unique stunner missile, which is one of the most maneuverable interceptors in the world. Unlike traditional air defense missiles, Stunner doesn't rely on radar alone. It also uses electro-optical sensors, making it nearly impossible to jam. In 2023, during a live test, David's Sling successfully intercepted a medium-range ballistic missile heading towards a populated area. This solidified its reputation as a critical layer in Israel's missile defense umbrella. Countries like Finland have already begun purchasing the David's Sling. 5-point HQ-9 China. China has been rapidly developing its own air defense systems to compete with Western and Russian technology. Enter the HQ-9, Beijing's answer to the S-300 and Patriot missile systems. The HQ-9 is a long-range air defense system designed to track and destroy enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and even some ballistic missiles. Its modernized variant, HQ-9B, has improved radar capabilities, giving it a better chance of detecting stealth aircraft. In 2024, China deployed the HQ-9B to strategic islands in the South China Sea, further solidifying its defensive presence in the region. This deployment sent a clear message. China is ready to protect its airspace at all costs. With its increasing range and ability to engage multiple targets, the HQ-9 is quickly becoming a major player in global air defense. 6th Aster 30, SAMP/T. France/Italy Europe isn't lagging behind when it comes to air defense. The Aster 30 SAMP/T, developed by France and Italy, is one of NATO's primary missile defense systems. What makes the Aster 30 unique is its incredible agility. Unlike larger missile systems that rely on brute force, Aster 30 interceptors use PIF/PAF technology tiny thrusters that allow mid-flight course corrections with pinpoint accuracy. In 2023, NATO officially integrated the Aster 30 into its European air defense network. This meant one thing: if an enemy missile entered European airspace, Aster 30 would be among the first lines of defense. With its high-speed interception capability and ability to counter supersonic threats, the Aster 30 is a key pillar in defending Europe from modern missile threats. 7. Medium Extended Air Defense System, MEADS, USA, Germany, Italy. The MEADS represents a tri-national effort to develop a mobile air defense system capable of countering a wide range of threats. In 2023, it achieved a successful intercept of a ballistic missile target, validating its advanced capabilities. Its 360-degree radar and modular design allow for flexible deployment and integration into various defense networks. 8. Barak 8, Israel, India. Born from a collaboration between Israel and India, the Barak 8 is designed to defend against airborne threats, including aircraft and missiles. In 2024, it was successfully tested aboard Indian naval vessels, enhancing maritime air defense capabilities. Its versatility for both land and sea platforms and ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously highlight its adaptability. 9. S-500 Prometei, Russia. The S-500 is Russia's next-generation air defense system, extending capabilities beyond the S-400. In 2024, it reportedly intercepted a target at a record altitude, showcasing its potential against space-based threats. Its ability to target hypersonic missiles and low-orbit satellites positions it at the forefront of air defense technology. 10th National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, NASAMS, Norway, och USA. The NASAMS is a medium-range solution jointly developed by Norway and the USA. In 2024, it was deployed to protect critical infrastructure during high-profile events, demonstrating its reliability. Its network-centric architecture and adaptability to various missiles make it a flexible and effective air defense system. As we've journeyed through these formidable air defense systems, it's evident that the race to protect the skies is more intense than ever. Each system, with its unique capabilities and stories of success, contributes to a safer world. But the evolution doesn't stop here. As threats become more sophisticated, so too will the defenses. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights into the ever-evolving world of military technology. If you found this exploration enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below on which air defense system you found most intriguing, or any topics you'd like us to cover next.